if you are wanting to get a really nice, big, full, pretty ponytail, you have to check out these ponytail extensions. First, it comes with bobby pins as well as two elastics. And then it also, I love this bag actually, it comes in because you can go ahead and reseal it. So it's going to be actually a perfect little storage bag for when you're not using these. This is the 26-inch length, and I got the color brown mixed blonde. So that has this hook that's right here at the top, and you're going to hook that in to the top of your hair as well as this cording that you can go ahead and tighten it. So what you're going to want to do is put your hair up in a bun, and then you'll put this over the top. So let me show you what that looks like. So wherever you put your bun is where your ponytail is going to sit. So if you want high ponytail, put your bun up here. And if you're wanting a lower one, then definitely put your bun down here. And you want to make sure that your bun is nice and tight. Like that's the foundation. If you don't want these to fall out, you want to make sure that this is really secure. So then once you have your bun, you're just going to go ahead and take the clip part and clip that in. And then I'm just going to pull the top down, which actually you could probably do it the reverse too if you wanted to take this bottom part and tighten it first and then clip it over the top. I think either way would work. You just want to make sure that you get that whole elastic part over your bun. And then definitely I would go in with some bobby pins too, just so that it feels more secure and you know it's not going to go anywhere. But I love the volume of this and the length, and it just really gives you that extra little oomph that you are looking for.